What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate the LCO method using beard products. Now, I learned about this method a year ago from Beauty and the Bearded. He does this method, but he does it with hair care products, and for him, hair care products works for his beard. And I'm not going to really get into the whole debate what to use, hair care or beard care products, because you do what works for you. I use beard care because it's just the different scents and the different smells. I've embraced being really a beardsman and embraced that whole lifestyle. So that's the reason why I use beard care products. And there's nothing wrong with people using hair care. So to each his own, I'll put it that way. But today I'm going to demonstrate how to do the LCO method with beard care products. And shout out to Beauty and the Bearded, by the way, because they gave me this idea. Check out his channel, by the way. He puts out good videos on how to take care of your beard using hair care products. And yeah, just check out his channel. But first off, with the LCO method, we're gonna wet our beard. Now you can do this. You can do this two ways. You could use aloe vera juice or water or a leave-in conditioner. Now I'm just going to use just normal water from the sink. Now I got my beard all wet. Get it out, get a towel. We're going to dry it off. And what I'm going to use for the cream part, because you have three different methods. You have the leave-in or the liquid, then you have the cream, which is what I'm going to use, the beard butter. And you can do this with balm as well, but I recommend doing it with butter. And this is the Uncle Donnie's original scent, and the reason I'm using this is because the oil I'm going to choose to use has a scent to it, and I don't know what oil I'm going to use yet because I got so many as it is. Probably going to end up using the Holy Bastard today. Not sure, but take about maybe that much. You don't really need a whole lot, just that much. And you do this with any beard butter that you have. I'm just doing this because Uncle Donnie hooked me up. I got other beard butters I can use, but he hooked me up big time with the beard butter, and I'm gonna use it. So, and just work it into the beard. We're gonna do it that way. And the whole point of doing this is to kind of get your beard to retain moisture. That's the whole goal. When applying these products to your beard, you want your beard to stay moist. You want it to be moisturized, because as soon as it starts drying out, you're going to have a whole bunch of problems. And I've said that before in previous videos, but this is where you're going to really have problems, and you're going to want to go ahead and we're going to comb this in. Get the wooden comb, the good old trusty wooden comb. We're going to work it in there. And this method doesn't really take that long to do. You just want to make sure that you're getting that product to your skin. That's the whole purpose, getting that product to your skin and just making sure your skin is moisturized, as well as, your hair as well, so it doesn't dry out. We don't want that. We definitely don't want that. And just gonna work that product in. I could brush it in, but I've been kind of more using a comb more lately, so and that's worked in. And for the oil, I don't know what I'm probably gonna use the Holy Bastard. I'm going with this today is because it just smells good, and I need to kind of get some more stuff from him as well, some more of his oils, because they smell. I don't know how he comes up with these scents, but it just smells phenomenal. And I'm gonna take some, about half a dropper, but I'm gonna do this a little bit differently, like I kind of demonstrated on Instagram. I'm gonna put it actually the dropper and just work it in. That way it's getting to my skin, and just rub it in. And with the oil, it's gonna lock in all that moisture that you applied, so that your beard's not dry. That's the main thing with your beard. You want it to be moist and not lose moisture, even though it's gonna lose moisture, but you want to keep as much as you can. And I'm just gonna work this in into my beard. Oh my God, I can smell that. It just, oh my God, I don't know how Dave comes up with these scents, man. But it smells phenomenal. It's like a cologne scent, and it's just, oh my God. And that's pretty much how you do the LCO method. Just like, you want to brush it in, you make sure you work all that stuff into your beard. You ain't got to be all super rough with your beard. And what gave me this idea to do this video is because of Beauty and the Bearded, of course. And he does it differently than I do. He does it with actual hair care products. And I'm showing you how to do it really with beard care. So you can do this with hair care and beard care. So you can go either way. Just make sure you're working all that stuff into your skin, to the hair, get it all on the hair follicles. Make sure every hair follicle got something on it, man. You want it to be just moisturized. You want your hair to be on point. And that's pretty much it right there. Yeah, and that's pretty much how you do the LCO method. There's not really much to it. It's kind of like a normal beard routine in a way. I mean, some people might actually do that now, where they put, water and then the butter and the oil. But you want to keep your beard moist. You wanted to keep it moisturized. And there you go. And I'm just ready to go about my day now. But hopefully y'all found this video helpful. Comment down below. Do you even, do this type of routine where you use butter and then oil on top of that to keep it moisturized? Let me know down below in the comments. Yeah, I hope y'all found this video helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.